Hello traders, welcome to a new FX Elite Club weekly breakdown video. In this video, I'll be talking about our checklist for this week and which currency pairs we are mostly interested in. So as you can see, the first currency pair is GBP USD. I think it's a very nice currency pair, and in this week I think we have a very nice opportunity to sell GBP USD. So first, if you look at the 4 hours time frame, we have this small uptrend which was already broken, and we also have this number which is 1.24, which is a very important number in the GBP USD. Also, as you can see over here, we have this head and shoulders pattern, and this number 1.24 acts as the neckline of this pattern. So I think we can consider this the neckline, and we can enter a sell trade over here after we have a nice retest of this number, maybe on a smaller time frame, maybe on the 1 hour or the 2 hour time frame. We can enter a sell trade at 1.24. This number, as I said, is very strong and a very important number in the GBP USD. If you took a closer look, you will find out that this number was a great support over here. We also, if we took a look at the daily time frame, we can see here that previously it was also a very strong support. Also, if you took a look back over here, as you can see, it's a very important and strong number, and whenever the price touches it, it goes all the way up. So 1.24 is as I said, a very important and strong number in the GBP USD, and acted as a previous support. So what we can see here is that the price broke it very strongly over here with this strong bearish candlestick. So we can wait for a nice retest of 1.24 on a smaller time frame, and from this number we can enter a short trade, and our target will be 1.21. I also believe that we can reach over here, which is 1.196027, but I would prefer take it only to 1.21, and from there we can see if we had any nice price action to the downside, then we can consider enter a second sell trade. So this is GBP USD for this week. We have also in our checklist gold. So let's go see gold. If you are following us on Telegram or Instagram, you will see that we kind of posted our analysis on gold. I think it was very successful analysis, as everybody thought that gold will go up as we have this strong block, but we posted our analysis and we said that we have 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drives to the downside. So I think the 4th drive will break the block, and this is what happened. If you saw the analysis and entered a sell trade from here, you probably have achieved like 170 pips so far. So if you kind of missed this entry, it's okay, because you have another nice entry. I think we can wait for the price to retest this area. As I said, it's very important block and very important area in the gold. So I think that the price should go up again and revisit 1483 again, and then you can put your sell trade over here. So if you take a sell trade from here, your target will be 1431. I think that gold can go all the way down to 1431, but you need to see a nice retest of this area, and it's okay if this retest was on a small time frame such as 1 hour or 2 hours. You don't need to wait for a 4 hours time frame retest. So this is gold for this week. I think we have a nice sell trade over here after we see a nice retest. Other currency pair we have on our checklist this week is oil. Oil has been very interesting also. Well, I think it's a very simple analysis here also. Well, if you took a look at this number, this 55, it's very important, also strong support in the West Texas oil. As you can see over here on the 4 hours time frame, it's completely and extremely strong number on the oil. So over here we have this 4 hours candlestick that broke 55 and closed below it. I think it's a very strong bearish candlestick, and we have a very nice clean and clear break of 55. So our trade can be set on 55 after we see the price come back and retest it, and from the retest we can enter a sell trade on oil. Our targets can be, our first target can be over here at 45, 54. The second target can be here at 52,800, and our third can be 50. So we will wait for a nice retest of 55, and from there we can enter a sell trade with a very nice tight and small stop loss, and we have a very I think we will have a very good risk to reward ratio. As I said, our final target will be 50, so this, I think this kind of forms, let's see how many pips, really nice 500 pips. So it will be a very very good risk to reward ratio trade with tight stop loss and very strong very big target. So this is for oil. The other currency pair we have on our checklist is New Zealand JPY. Let's go see it, where it is. Yeah, here it is. New Zealand JPY also is very interesting price action. This is the 4 hours time frame on the New Zealand JPY. As you can see here, at this number 67.500, we have a very nice and strong price action on this area. We have this hammer candlestick over here. We have also this morning star formation over here. So I think that the price unable to go below 67.500, and it tries many times and it failed. So what I think can happen on the New Zealand JPY is that it can go up from this number. Maybe it will retest it once again for like the third time, and then from this it will go up. We can take our first target at 68,500, and we can reach all the way up to here, over here at, let's see, 69,700. This can be our targets, and I think we can also take the final target at 70. So let's wait for the price to come up again over here at 67.500 and do a nice price action such as this hammer that shows an area of support for the price, and then we can go by New Zealand JPY, take our first target at 68.500, and the final target will be at 70. So this is our checklist for this week, and we will update you with any other currency pair that we are interested on. So hope you guys like this video and benefited from it. If you have any question, any inquiry, please do not hesitate and contact us on Telegram or Instagram, or also on our YouTube channel FX Elite Club, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a nice day and trade safe everybody.